Hey, it's me, Wyatt, and I'll be providing some nutritional information for your fish tacos meal tonight. Starting with ingredients, tortillas are a great source of carbohydrates with varying amounts of fiber, protein, fat, depending on the type of tortilla. Next, you have a fish fillet, which is a great source of high quality protein with all your essential amino acids, omega-3 fatty acids, essential vitamins, minerals, and much more. You also have cabbage, which is a low-calorie, nutrient-rich vegetable packed with vitamin C, K, fiber, potassium, and other minerals. You also have carrots, which are low in calories, high in vitamins A, K, potassium, and fiber as well. You have tomatoes, which are a great source of vitamin C, potassium, vitamin A, and antioxidants. Rice, like your type, you also have rice, like your tortillas, is also a great source of complex carbohydrates for long-lasting energy. And moving on, you have cheese, which is a great source of protein and calcium at the cost of being a little higher in fat. Lastly, you have mayo, which is a great condiment for flavor, but is relatively high in fat and calories. But yeah, so that's your nutritional information, and I hope you enjoy your dinner. Have a great night. Thank you.